For today's craft, I will be making this spooky doormat. I used a plain doormat, acrylic paint, my cutting machine, a foam brush, and vinyl adhesive. I'll start by cutting out my image to attach it to the mat. I made the mistake of mirroring my image when I cut it out. Make sure you check your design before you cut. So that I don't waste any material, I went ahead and used the image. I used the foam brush to add paint within the letters. Once dry, I remove the adhesive and will display the mat at my front door. This will be a great welcome to trick-or-treaters. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.